Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from VPropTrader. First, open the VPropTrader website and log in using your email and password. Make sure you enter the correct details so you can access your account safely. After logging in, before you can withdraw any funds, you need to complete the KYC verification process. KYC is important because the platform needs to confirm your identity. You also need to have at least $50 in your account. If your funds are less than $50, the withdrawal option will not work. Once your account is verified and you have enough funds, look at the menu on the left side of your dashboard. Click on the option that says Funds. Under this section, select Withdraw Funds. The system will ask you to link your bank account or wallet address before you can proceed. After linking your bank account, return to the Withdraw Funds section. Here, you will see a space to enter the amount you want to withdraw. Next, select your linked bank account from the options provided. The platform will then show you the exchange rate and the real amount you will receive after conversion, if applicable. Once you have checked all the details and confirmed the amount, click the button to submit your withdrawal request. The system will process your request, and the funds will be transferred to your bank account or wallet. Thanks for watching.